Hi, my name is Eden Radler, and I'm a senior at Granite Bay High School.
Ever since I was young, I loved fashion. I loved to sing and make art, but I also advanced in all of my math and science classes. Choosing to decide what career to do is difficult because I have a love for fashion and art, but I also love health and medicine. I realized I can do both by bringing my creative side into the medical field, such as bringing in a more holistic approach or finding ways to cheer people up. I love fashion and art, but I'll always go back to nursing because it is something I've always wanted to do ever since I was little. With my enthusiasm for nursing and medicine growing more intense, I was able to convince my surgeon to allow me to shadow him on surgeries prior to my own a few months ago. I arrived at the facility in my scrubs and observed patients inside the operating room. Throughout the day, I watched a total of 3 surgeries and was even able to pass instruments to the surgeon during the last procedure. I gained an understanding of patient care, the anesthetic process, and attention to detail that goes into the daily routine of the surgeon and nurses. A few days after observation, I went back in to get the same surgery myself. I elected to stay awake during the procedure to be able to understand what it is like to be a patient in the operating room. I was able to hear the slicing, stitching, and burning in my ear, and I could picture exactly what the surgeon was doing after watching the same procedure a few days before. It was truly incredible to view the surgical process and experience it for myself. I gained a lot of compassion for patients as well as a lot of knowledge of what goes on in the operating room. I'm currently taking the CTE nursing program through my high school, and I've already learned so much. I'm so glad I was able to make it into the program, and so far, I've learned all the vital signs, a lot of medical terminology, and medical knowledge required to succeed in the field. I've learned to give injections, take blood pressure, and draw blood, and it has been the coolest experience. I owe a lot of my success to my family who supports me so much. They have always been there for me and are the most giving people. They have taught me to always be humble and kind and are some of the funniest people I know, and I hope to make them proud of my future endeavors.
I find medicine truly fascinating, and I would be honored to learn more at the incredible facilities at TCU. I hope to work with scrubs one day.